Here we have a section of air chamber that's been removed to reveal the male fittings that connect to a replacement push button connector. And here we have a piece that's broken. This is the most common problem we see. The fitting actually breaks off half inside the hose and half still attached to the male fitting. You'll start by removing the broken piece of fitting, cutting beyond the old piece that's in the hose to reveal a clean piece of hose, and then it's as simple as taking the new airbed connector and pushing it inside the hose. Now you can see that was a little tough to get in there. Over time these hoses get hard and brittle, and I'd suggest boiling a little bit of water, dipping the hose in there to soften the hose, and then attach the connector to make a firm fitting.